Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today I'm here at a gas station in Canada, ESSO gas station. So guys, there's a topic going on in India about ethanol with petroleum product. So here we call it gasoline. So I'm gonna show you that it's not only there. Here also, see, it's clearly written 15% ethanol, and I've been using it for like 7 years. So I don't want to contradict someone. I don't want to take someone's name. Like, there's so much of videos going on here in India, and everyone is saying something else. So it's hard to believe what is going on the ground in India. But let me tell you one thing, guys, this is not something new. Like, even in USA, Canada, you can like, it's being used. Like, I use regular, this one 87, and it has got up to 15% of ethanol, and I had no issues. Even for like 7th year it's going on for me, and I absolutely had no issues. I only go for regular maintenance schedules as by the dealer recommended schedules. So this is what I wanted to confirm, guys. Now let me know what you feel about it. So again, my fueling is on. I don't know, there's some air, that's why it's happening. Here, if I have been to USA many times, and there also I use this same level of same value of gasoline, and I never had any issues. So again, I want to say I'm not contradicting anyone, but at the same time I want to show you the reality that even in countries like USA, Canada, this ethanol blended petroleum products are being used. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.